Welcome to Lycan. Today I'll guide you through buying Lycan tokens during our fair sale. We have two sales options, pre-sale and fair sale. Let's focus on the fair sale now. First, go to our website at lycanchain.com. On the homepage you'll see a tab for fair sale. Click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to the fair sale dashboard. Here, you need to connect your Web3 wallet. Follow the instructions on the screen to connect your wallet with Metamask. Now, let's talk about pricing. In the fair sale, each LYC token is priced at $10. You can choose to pay using Ethereum, BNB, or USDT. Pick the currency that works best for you. Now, enter the number of LYC tokens you want to purchase. Double-check the amount to ensure it's correct. Next, make sure to click on the Terms checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions of the sale. Once you've reviewed everything, click the Buy button to start your purchase. You'll need to confirm the transaction in Metamask. If it's your first time buying this token, you might need to approve it first. After that, confirm the main transaction. Wait for about 2 minutes for the LYC tokens to appear in your wallet. Once the transaction is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Great! Your transaction is successful. Now refresh your browser to see the updated balance. If you want to add the LYC network to your wallet, visit chainlist.org. Search for Lycan and select LYC with chain ID 721. Click Connect Wallet, and this will add the Lycan Chain to your wallet for future transactions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.